Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. Today we honor the life and legacy of our true television legend Jay North. Best known for his unforgettable role as Dennis the Menace, Jay captured hearts across generations. In this video, we take a closer look at his 2025 lifestyle, his impactful career, early life, family, education, and the legacy he leaves behind. Rest in peace, Jay North. Early life of Jay North. Jay North was born on 30th of August 1951 in Hollywood, California. Jay was introduced to showbiz early. His natural charm and talent were evident from a young age, leading him to television and radio appearances as a child. Let me know about his education. Jay attended Alexander Hamilton High School in Los Angeles. While he gained fame as a child actor, balancing school with a busy shooting schedule was challenging. Much of his formal education was overseen by studio tutors during his acting years. Let me know about his career. Jay North rose to fame as a child actor, best known for his iconic role as Dennis Mitchell in the classical TV sitcom Dennis the Menace 1959 to 63. His performance made him a household name in the US during the early 60s. After the showbiz ended, Jay appeared in films like The Miracle of the White Stallions and Zebra in the Kitchen. As he transitioned into adulthood, he found it difficult to shake his child star image, which limited further acting opportunities. Let me know about his ethnicity. Jay North is of white Caucasian ethnicity with American heritage. He was born and raised in the United States. Marital status of Jay North. Jay is currently married to Cindy North. The couple enjoys a quiet, stable life away from the Hollywood spotlight. Let me know about his family. Jay had a close relationship with his mother, who was deeply involved in managing his early career. He has been married 3 times, with his current wife being Sydney North, whom he married in 1993. They have lived a more private life in Florida. Cars collection of Jay North. Jay North has never been known for a flashy lifestyle. Details about a luxurious cars collection are limited, suggesting that he prefers a modest, low-key lifestyle rather than indulging in celebrity luxuries. Social media fans following. As a star from the classic TV era, Jay North doesn't maintain an active presence on social media. However, he still enjoys a loyal fan base, especially among classic TV enthusiasts and those who grew up watching Dennis the Menace. Fan groups and nostalgia keeps live his legacy alive. Let me know about some interesting facts. Fact number 1. Jay reportedly suffered emotionally from the pressure of being a child star and was under strict supervision during his acting years. Fact number 2. He was friends with yellow child actor like Paul Peterson, who later supported him in healing from his Hollywood experiences. And fact number 3. Jay is a supporter of child actor protection laws and has spoken about the importance of mental health support for young performers. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Jay North's estimated net worth is around $500,000 to $1 million. While not as wealthy as many modern stars, his wealth stems from residuals from his work on Dennis the Menace, later small acting roles, and pension and benefits from his work in the corrections system. Jay North's lifestyle is far from the glitz and calm of modern celebrities. Once an horror lifestyle, his story is both a reflection of Hollywood's golden age and a reminder of the struggles child actors often face. Jay North's journey reminds us of the lasting impact one performance can have on generation. Thank you for watching. If you find this tribute meaningful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing to honor his memory. Rest in peace, Jay North.